Well, time to make a mess. We've got the power steering pump, fuel pump off the back of it, and we're getting ready to buck. One step forward, two steps back.
Just the fact that Democrats were not making any of these arguments at the beginning of the Ukraine conflict makes me think that maybe it's all political on the call.
So we tried to do what the Democrats wanted.
Nope. Keep spinning. This is the fun and joys here.
Stop them from enriching.
That could be it. Yep.
We tried treaties. Trump tried bunker busters. And they've already acknowledged that this
There's your line.
put a bolt in there. And after all these things we've tried, they're still enriching, stockpiling ballistic missiles, exporting terror, and
Not right.
shut down the Straits.
There you go.
So the president says, you know what, if you guys aren't going to do anything, we tried it.
There's your line there.
Yeah.
Here.
Ain't got enough hands.
Let's try this.
If this thing goes bad, they can say, you know what? Trump's on the warpath and you can stick it to J.D. Vance. But if it is successful, and we have a military parade this summer on the 250th anniversary of this country, and the stock market rebounds, and everybody gets these fat tax refund checks, the Republicans have a very good.
There you go. I think that's it.
Yeah, I'd say that's it too. And then line your line up.
Yeah.
Your line goes right there.
The problem is I need red Loctite. I need the Loctite down.
Well, let's get them two started, then you can.
Yeah, well, you can do that.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're going to Trey Yates. We have sirens in Tel Aviv right now.
There you go.
Trey, what can you tell us?
NACs. It goes everywhere.
Well, we didn't count on things back off. We didn't go to the end.
All of central Israel. Look at the skyline and we'll keep you posted.
Loctite them dudes in. It only goes on there one way, and you've got to. It can be a pain in the butt.
I want to start by asking you, what your thoughts are so far on the first couple of days of Operation Active Fury.
Well, I'm in contact with the Israelis and American leaders, who are conducting this operation. I can tell
I
you.
didn't think I screwed that one in that far.
Their expectation. This thing has been planned for months. It's very detailed, very comprehensive. We got a sense of the scale now. Because we've been openly talking about it in terms of how long it would actually take to achieve all of our objectives. But just
That's it. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Crew chiefs are back. It's Monday night. This is the new pump and dirt car lift setup. Remote on this one's a little different. It's got power up, power down, and gravity down. So we're gonna have to swap remotes. Boy, this thing's got hydraulic fluid all over it.
Yeah, they obviously shipped it with it full and it was upside down.
Oh, nice.
On the outskirts of the city, but you just saw live there the stream to the sky as clearly the Iranians have launched.
Well, here's the new lift. She's looking snazzy. I like the black anodizing with the white crossbars. So this one's got a different front crossbar on it, so you can slide in between it to change the transmission if you need to. It's also got this cut out here, so the frame rail sets down in it, keeps it from sliding off. It's nice for sure. It's rained all day today. My forecast goes out 10 days. Rain every day. We need it. Well, time to make a mess. We've got the power steering pump, fuel pump off the back of it. And we're getting ready to bust the oil lines loose, and we are going to make a mess. Well, all the lines are off of it, and now we got to take this off. We'll see how that goes. Well, pump swapped in this one. Everything's back together and ready to rock. That went relatively easy. Besides, I dropped the ratchet, and of course it lands in the bucket of oil. Dove drops the wrench, of course lands in the bucket of oil. That's the way it goes. Well, that one's on there. But we think it's a bit too long to try and go in the car like that. We're thinking we're going to take it off, put it back in the box. That's all the lines that go from here to there.
Did you already clean them?
No,
oh.
I didn't know them were under there. That's about a $3,000 oil pump there. Break a fitting off in it, we're screwed.
We're going to shape this operation. We're going to make sure that they have no ballistic missile capability.
So, oil pump, power steering pump, fuel pump, all drives off this belt that goes here. It's a lot hanging off the back of them, and it seems like they just keep getting bigger. Adjusting the pulley back a little bit. She's close to the bell housing.
It's the missing link right here.
They were at a very weak point, so we took a shot. Trump's already laid it all out. But Democrats aren't listening.
As I see this, hey, there's no real plan here. I think the president owes the American people an answer. What is the strategy here?
We got those.
Why would Trump brief the troops to
Let me
revolt?
try going forward
Why
real
should
quick
war
first.
plans to Congress so what?
She's snug.
There it goes.
I think she just moved. Yeah. Where'd your straight edge go?
I put it away.
Unequivocally oppose this war of choice, and everyone should.
Kamala is decrying the Iran war from the street corner, not a good one. We just wiped out the 49 most dangerous men in the Middle East in one shot. And we're blowing up missiles aimed at American bases, American ships, American allies.
I think I can go back a little more.
Keep paying them off.
Don't you?
New gut behind our back. Trump's arguing this.
I mean, you're right at the edge of this pulley. You're right at the gap there.
Yeah, but the other thing is my keyway.
American president loved by Jews and Muslims.
We're okay.
Clay Travis is the founder of Outkick.com. Did you know the Ayatollah, big fan of their myths?
Actually, yes, sir.
Well, all the lines are cleaned, hung up and drying. Another thing done. That's ready for Daryn to take out, put in. Another thing off the list, I guess we'll have to take this out, get this mounted in the pitch box out there. They had it upside down, so everything is coated with hydraulic fluid. It's nice. Well, it's Tuesday. We just put a belt on the oil pump, and this was bottomed all the way out. Belt was too long from what we normally run, so we've got to get a shorter belt. Called Randy. He is checking on the belt he runs, thinks it's a different one than what we got, and he's just double checking the number on it. It's a good thing we went ahead and tried that tonight, or that'd have been a bad deal. Putting the motor in, go to fire it up, and we can't get the belt to tighten up. Got the jack sitting on there to put a little curve in her. Instead of curve it inward instead of outward. That's how Rocket does it. The new one looks way better than that one did. We have put a new ear on the spoiler. Getting ready to mock it up. She's gonna roll just like she is. We're not putting a new deck panel in it, especially if we go to Highland, because it'll get tore up. Just gonna let her fly like she is. That's what he wants. Probably gonna run this car a few nights before the new one gets done and on the track. Well, as you saw, we got this all done, buttoned up. Put the door on, fenders on, get the carburetor. She's about ready to rock. Ain't no need in putting the straps on because you could take them off, put them in the trailer. Well, good morning to you all. It's Saturday morning, about 9:30. I just got here. Doug's not here yet. I think the plan is today, get the body all done on this thing, get it ready to go. Dave's gonna come do a bolt check on it this week. Thursday night, him and Doug took all the hubs off, went through and got them, the wheel bearings all cleaned and repacked, so they're ready to go. And we'll see what else today brings.
Yeah, fuck it. Let it go. Let it go. Don't put that on there.
Well, she's back together and ready to ride again. Just waiting on the carburetor. Put the panels on it. Figure out where we're going. And then shocks and gear.
Carburetor was shipped.
It was?
Back to us.
Well, that was a quick turnaround.
He did what he said.
Yeah.
I thank him for it.
Yeah. Well, back on this project. We are going to, Max has got hose. Probably about 1/2 to 3/4. Yeah. Max has got more hose. We're going to make the hose longer. We got to put some spacers in there to snug that up. The bracket there. It's always something. Yeah, we got her spaced out in there. She'll ride. Good to go for another year. I just got that light changed in the bathroom. The old one, only half of it worked. Making things nicer.
Oh wow, that's way brighter. Way brighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, that did not go up there. That one's missing since
We
you
got
and I
it.
done stuff in here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That was never opened.
Yeah.
Those are short ones. It's a short one that goes in there.
We got a fresh, rebuilt Peterson R4 5-stage dry sump pump for sale. $1,000. It was our spare just in the trailer. If anybody's interested, shoot me an email. Email is in the description. Oh, I think we're about done for the day. That's going to do it for this week. Won't be back out here till Thursday night. They got work stuff, work conference, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I think Dave's going to come out Tuesday and bolt check the entire car. So that's done, and then we're just waiting on the carburetor, which will be here next week. It's in transit, in shipping. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think. Share with your friends, and we will catch you all later. Won't be long. We'll be back on track.